In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your publication name on Substack. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your account to update the display name of your publication and adjust your handle, which is the short identifier that can appear in your profile and links. Start by signing into your Substack account and opening your dashboard. Look toward the top right corner of the screen and click your profile icon. This opens a small menu where you can access all your account options. From that menu, choose Settings. This takes you to the main area where you manage how your publication looks and how your profile appears to readers. On the Settings page, find the Profile section and click Edit. This is where you'll see the public-facing details for your publication. In the editor, locate the name field. This is the display name for your publication, the title readers see on your site, in your newsletter header, and in many emails. Update the name to reflect your brand clearly and consistently. Keep it concise, spell it exactly how you want it to appear, and consider readability on both desktop and mobile. Substack will prompt you if anything else needs attention, and changes typically show up quickly across your pages. Next, scroll to the handle section and click Edit. Your handle is the short identifier tied to your profile. Depending on your setup, it can appear in mentions and certain links. So choose something memorable and consistent with your new name. Type your preferred handle in the field. Handles usually support letters, numbers, words, and sometimes dashes. Avoid spaces and special characters that might not be allowed. If the handle you want is already taken, try a clean variation that's still easy to read and on brand. When you're happy with it, click Update Handle. Substack will confirm the change and let you know if anything needs to be adjusted. Give it a moment for the update to propagate. Afterward, it's a good idea to open your publication in a new browser tab to visually confirm your new name is showing as expected and that your handle appears correctly where applicable. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Pick a name and handle that are easy to say and search for. Double check for typos before finalizing, and keep capitalization consistent with your branding. If you collaborate with a team, make sure everyone's aligned on the new name so your posts, graphics, and social links all match. That's it. You've updated your publication name and your handle on Substack with just a few clicks. Thanks for watching and happy publishing.